Okay, we can't get in this door. We tried to actually use the laptop, won't work. It's completely dead. So there's another way we're going to get in here. We're going to use this tool right here. But we got a little trick here that we're going to do. What we do is you get your camera on your phone and you put it facing up. You slide it underneath the door so you can see what you're doing. Now you can see the other side of the door where the handle is. We're going to try to get this handle right here from the other side with this tool. Let's go ahead and do it. So he's looking at the other end of the door. There it is there. See how simple that is? There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.